Are you having trouble with your AC blower motor? My name is Michael Starret. I'm with United HVAC Motors. Today we're going to go over 4 potential problems, which is high voltage, low voltage, your mini bus fuse, and also your overflow valve. So we're going to use a multimeter, and the multimeter is always going to be an AC voltage for these tests. The first thing we're going to test is if your system is getting high voltage. We're going to test across these 2 prongs right here, and we're going to verify that your system is getting between 120 to 240, depending on your configuration. This system is a 240. We see 231. This is in the correct range. If you are not getting power here, you're going to want to stop and go back to your main electrical panel and make sure that the breaker is turned on and that you are getting power here. So we are getting power here, so we're going to go ahead and continue. The next thing we're going to check is our transformer. This is our transformer here. We're going to check to see that it's creating low voltage VAC power. So to test this, it's typically going to be a blue and a yellow wire, and we're going to look for between 21 to 28 volts. So the yellow wire that comes off the transformer is coming up to here, and the blue wire is coming over to here. You see on our tester we're getting 26 volts. This is correct. Anything between 21 to 27 is correct. If you are not getting voltage here, the next thing to do is replace this AC transformer. So we are getting voltage here, so we're going to move on. The next thing to check after this is the mini bus fuse. This mini bus fuse, you can see through it, and it has a little piece of metal here. If this little piece of metal here is not here or it's burnt, go ahead and replace it. In this case, this mini bus fuse is intact, so we're going to move on. The last thing you want to check is the overflow valve. You want to go ahead and remove the overflow valve and inspect the inside. If there's water inside, you need to make sure that the water is exiting the system. If there's no water inside, go ahead and replace the overflow valve and move on to checking the harnesses on your motors themselves. Today we went over high voltage, low voltage transformers, mini bus fuses, and also overflow valves. If this helped you, please give us a like. Stay tuned for more videos and more troubleshooting.